Okay, so we're going to do a little follow-up here. It's been a couple full hours, I think. An hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half or so. So this looks like I'm kind of blocking it a little bit here, but it's pushing about 60 volts out right now. Mr. Sun's shining pretty good. So let's see what the temperature is looking like inside. I'm kind of hoping that this is going to get some currents in here of the water moving, where you can see, like right here, just as I open this, there's some bubbling here. So I don't know if that's, heat coming in. The water's not that warm. I'm kind of afraid to touch that element, but I don't really feel much heat on the water right above it, right around it. So maybe I'll have to stick that thing on there. Let's see what the metal's pretty warm up here on the top. And I can see there's some steam bubbles here, so maybe it has warmed up a little bit. Let's take a look. Okay, so I think it was 60 degrees earlier when I came over here. I guess that's I'm showing 70. Basically 72 degrees. I'm actually going to just stick this down here. I'm kind of a little bit nervous about that element. And I have that down in the water. You can see it's moving up a little bit. So it's showing 80 on the element right now. Let me hold it here for another minute or so. So that element's not that warm. I was kind of nervous to touch it. It looks like it's only about 80 degrees right now. So it's not, I mean, on that other one it was, all that water's cool in it too, I guess, but it made that water 170 degrees in that other video I made. So anyway, we'll come check it here in a little while, see what happens.